Chicken dry fry. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Likhim. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I will share with you a very simple and delicious recipe, chicken dry fry. It is easy to cook and can be served with any complementing dishes. I have also mentioned all the ingredients used in this recipe in the description box below. So make sure to check that out. To start with the process, we will take about 1 cup of curd and let it strain. We will need onion, lemon, ginger, garlic, coriander and curd to prepare our marination. But before moving with the actual marination, we will add salt to our chicken. I am taking about 500 grams of chicken to prepare this recipe. We need to add lemon juice in our chicken as well. 1/2 of a medium-sized lemon is fine for the lemon juice. Adding 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add salt as per taste. Mix everything well. Let the chicken rest until we are ready with our marination paste. Now for the marination, we need 1 medium-sized onion, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, ginger and coriander. Add everything on a grinder and make a paste. You can also add a little water to get a fine paste. Once the paste is ready, take a big mixing bowl and marinate the chicken with the paste. We also need to add strained curd along with it. Add 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, red chili powder and haldi or turmeric in the marination. I am also adding a little more salt. Adding 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Give everything a good mix and let it rest for 30 to 45 minutes. Now it's time to start with the actual cooking. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil. I am using organic groundnut oil, but you can use oil of any preference. Once the oil is heated up, start placing the chicken pieces. We will not pressure cook this recipe, so it is advisable to cook in low flame. Cover it with a lid and let the chicken cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. One side is nicely cooked and it is turning golden brown. Now it's time to cook from the other side as well. Chicken is releasing water and it will help our dry chicken fry recipe to be moist from inside and crispy from outside. Once the chicken is cooked from both sides, it is time to add about 1/2 cup of water and the remaining marination paste. You can add about 8 to 9 cashew nuts as well. Adding 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala. And our dish is ready to be served. I am serving it with plain rice and dal. Make sure to try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section how it turned out. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.